Alright guys, Dominic here. We got the Z up on the lift, so you know what that only means one thing: test pipes are going in, baby. Test pipes are going in. So right now we're getting out the O2 sensors, making sure we don't mix them up. Nick's already over here getting shit done. Getting out those O2 sensors. And you know, I'm just gonna be lazy today. I'm just gonna let him install everything. Isn't that right, Nick?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna let him do everything for me, and I'm just gonna sit back and reap the benefits of horsepower gains.
Take that one off.
All right, so you guys already seen the test pipes here before. They're nice, beautiful agency power, I'm assuming. I've never, you know, I don't know how good they are, but I hear a lot of people run them.
Good.
The welds look pretty good.
Diameter.
Yeah. The only ones, I don't know, Nick hasn't seen the video yet, but the headers, they have like really terrible welds on the outside, so I'm probably gonna have like Jesse or something.
Yep.
I'm probably gonna have like Jesse make new welds so they look cleaner and better, but on the inside they look really good, so yeah. So I'm not worried about that.
They don't leak or anything.
But yeah, I know. The headers are, hold on, where are they at? They are right there. They're right there, yep. That's the heat shielding for them. And then this side is actually the easier side.
Oh yeah, that's true, huh? Because you don't have
The steering rack, the steering in the way. Yeah, there it is.
The thing with that though is you just take and mark it in the paint pen, mark it,
Yeah.
and then you just take it off.
Yeah.
You just take that coupler off at the top and bottom right there.
Yeah, you just like take
take this
yeah,
off.
you,
That's for another day.
yeah. I'm just gonna drop the subframe and get solid motor mounts so I can feel every single inch of power that this bad puppy's gonna be making. But anyway, we're gonna get those off, and then we're gonna put them on, and then we're gonna cold start, obviously. So. Alright guys, so we finally are back updating you guys, and so basically we got the fucking downpipes off, and then we got them off both sides. We did get this O2 sensor was being a little prick, I guess you could say, and then we just went out and got a O2 sensor socket, and we bought new bolts because the guy didn't get me bolts, so we have new ones to put on, and nuts. That's what she said. And then, so yeah, next up is we're gonna be putting these bad boys on there, and then putting the O2 sensors, and then hopefully we can get a cold start, which,
That'd be good. That'd be beautiful.
dude. All right, guys, we'll update you guys.
Often I'm upset that I cannot fall in love, but I guess this avoids the stress of falling out of it. Are you tired of me yet? I'm a little sick right now, but I swear when I'm ready I will fly us out of it. Falling out of it. Are you tired of me yet? I'm a little sick right now, but I swear when I'm ready I will fly us out of it.
Alright guys, so we just got the test pipes in, and they're looking phenomenal. We had a little bit of struggles with the headers, but you know, it's to be certain. But the new bolts are be looking fresh AF. And so we just got the O2 sensors back in, put some anti-seize on there because just in case we need to take them off again, they're not seized up on there. We're not stripping anything. So next we're gonna be plugging these in and then hopefully getting the car lowered. So.
All right, so we got everything put on. We're about to do a cold start. It should be cold start. It's been sitting long enough. Cold start with test pipes and NVIDIA catback exhausts. So here we go. It's a little louder.
No, it's a lot louder.
It's a lot louder, yeah. It's a lot louder. Yeah, do it for Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a lot louder, dude. That's a lot louder, bro.
Oh god.
Shit.
Oh no.
Oh, man.
Oh, I fucked up.
That's
Oh, I'm gonna hold this L louder around.
man.
Oh my god.
So we're gonna go back up real quick. We're gonna check all of our joints, make sure that we're not leaking anywhere majorly.
Oh Jesus. Oh.
That was just a light red.
Oh my god, dude. That was like quarter throttle.
Yeah, that was just a light red.
quarter throttle. Oh my god. I work graveyard. My neighbors are gonna fucking hate me, dude. Oh.
My neighbors feel when I started up at 6:45 in the morning.
Oh, dude. It is not gonna be a good.
And I'm not catless.
All right, guys. So we're gonna do some in-car footage. So I'm gonna have Nick.
Oh, hey, why don't we put these gaskets on?
Because those are for the headers, dude.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, plus those are good. Anyway,
Those are, well.
So Nick's gonna hold the camera, and then all right. So Nick's gonna hold it, and we're just gonna do some fucking ripping around. So
Yeah. It sounds so good, dude.
it literally does not sound any better in normal wear, but I mean,
It's only because it's not full throttle. It's when we get on it, like right here.
dude, this is. It's Dominic here, and it's a couple days after we installed the test pipes, and all I can say is that I'm gonna get in a lot of trouble, but I really enjoy them. They bring the car to life. Pretty sure my gas mileage is gonna go down, but it's to be expected with a modified car. But anyway, what I want to let you guys know is that we are using a new camera. Let us know how it is. I'm gonna try to get some more better editing software so we can make some cooler videos, have a lot more memes. But so basically, drop a like, comment, subscribe, anything helps us out. We're trying to do good. 2019, as Nick said in the previous video, we're just trying to do good. We're waiting for the come up. Any support is possible. If you like the video, show your friends. I know. But other than that, see you guys in the next one, alright?